Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the comparison of AWeber versus Flodesk. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. AWeber provides robust automation tools that allow users to create automated email sequences based on subscriber behavior, such as signups and engagement. The platform offers a wide variety of customizable, mobile responsive email templates, making it easy for users to create visually appealing emails. Users can segment their audience and manage subscribers with detailed insights into engagement and demographics. AWeber includes comprehensive reporting tools to track key metrics like open rates, click rates, and conversions. It integrates seamlessly with numerous third-party applications, including WordPress, Shopify, and various social media platforms. On the other hand, Flodesk is known for its beautiful, intuitive email builder that allows users to create stunning emails with a focus on design. It offers automation tools that let users set up workflows based on subscriber actions, helping to engage audiences effectively. Flodesk provides a selection of modern, visually appealing templates tailored for different industries, making design straightforward. Unique to Flodesk, users can create forms and landing pages to grow their email lists directly from the platform. Flodesk includes essential analytics tools to monitor campaign performance, although its reporting is not as comprehensive as AWeber's. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.